Instagram Reels is the new way to record short videos after TikTok ban. And if you want to download Reels videos of someone, then it doesn't have the feature to download videos like TikTok. But in this video, I will show you a trick to download Instagram Reels videos without downloading any third-party app on your phone. Hi friends, myself Manju Shrivastava and welcome to our channel Tech Tricks World. So without wasting any more time, let's check how we can download Reels video. In order to download Instagram Reels video, first open the Instagram app and look for any Reels video you want to download. For example, I will download this one. Now click on this 3-dot menu and click on the copy link. Now go to the Google on your phone and search for Instagram Reels download. Now open the first link, which is instadp.com, or you can find the link in this video description. Now just paste link here and click download. Then you can see the same video appears. Just click on these 3 dots and click download. And you are done. If you find our video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more techie videos. Bye bye, see you in the next video.